Go.
Hello, tubers. We promised to make a video for people that saw what has happened here recently on Facebook. But, I need to make one for you guys too, because there's some of you that's probably been watching my videos off and on for 7 years. And you know my blue truck, you know what I started with, that I'm real close to the end on that project. Or at least I was. But a few days before Christmas, I was out here working on the truck, and the wife was visiting her family, so it was just me and my dad, and he's pretty much bedfast. And I went in to get a cup of coffee, and when I come back out, the tool room was on fire, and there was nothing I could do for it. Neighbors come over, and with a fire hose or a water hose, they helped me save the house, but we couldn't save nothing else. Here's the blue truck. She is toasty. She's warped beyond fixing. Some people suggested, try to fix it, but there's no fixing it, guys. It's, I don't even trust the frame. It got so hot. If you look at the drive shaft and the rims on the back got so hot they warped. I think the engine is salvageable. The oil's still clean. If anybody's ever done that, give me some input on that. Fooling with the burn engine, but lost all my tools. Every tool I had, and I'm not here just to cry and complain. I've been blessed to have some strangers try to step in and help me out. They actually, a lady who I'll leave anonymous, bought us a new engine for our log splitter because we can't survive without it, and we lost the majority of our wood pile. And I had enough for this winter and about half the next. We'd worked hard on it. But I've been doing that today, installing the engine, and it's I got my log splitter back. But it's not all doom and gloom. I mean, I've had that truck for 20 years, and it's an old friend, and well, it's gone now. It hurts the wife because she was very attached to it. But a month or two ago, a stranger had one sitting in his driveway on Facebook, and he's fed up with it. And it's sitting over here. It's a 63 292 Y block 3-speed in the floor. He gave that to me. That was before the fire.
We still have the bed.
And I still have the bed. So that may be a new project. I may just get it in time and ride it this summer. I don't know. I've been told I should get on here and do a GoFundMe or whatever, but I don't even know how, and I just don't know if that's me or not, But, I've got so many nice things said to me through Facebook, and so many good people out there. I appreciate them, I really do. And we're thankful. We're not angry. We're thankful that our house didn't go up because this thing was built way too close to the house. It was meant to be a woodshed.
Broke all our windows.
It broke the windows in this side of the house, but it didn't break them until they're double painted. Just broke the outside, so I can wait till summer to replace them. So that's a blessing too.
And the shingles were smoking.
Yeah, we also lost Dad's Ranger back there. It's gone. The camper top burst into flames way, way before the heat ever got to the truck. Fiberglass burns good. It's better than I ever thought it would. I guess it's the resin in it. I don't know. But, what, dear?
Walk to it.
Oh.
Oh, and these are our posts from our building.
Yeah, these were our locust posts. That was the only thing that stood. The rest of it went up.
It's our wood pile.
Yeah, we've been salvaging this burnt wood. It still burns, but we still need more. She's been stacking. Here, let me show them you because you...
Oh, I look a mess.
Yes, she's been working like a dog, that
Got
girl.
it on me?
She's awesome. Yeah, I've got it on. She's totally dirty, but she's awesome that way. But since my last video, I had surgery, had all my teeth pulled out and stuff. I wasn't going to make a video because I had one troll that I really, really dislike. But he knows who he is, and
Yep.
He can kiss my ass.
And mine too.
And hers
Or
too.
no, he can't.
Long story, guys, and it don't matter, but that's the reason I haven't made a lot of videos. That plus my camera, my old camera that's been so good to me, I can't get it to work no more. This is my first attempt with an iPhone making a video. So if it's not so great, let me know. If it's better, let me know. Fortunately, the old Ranger didn't burn nothing forward to the cow, so it should be, the engine should be fine. Who knows, we might find something to put that in. Here's one of my perfect fenders I was so pleased with. Not so much anymore.
This is the tool shed.
Yep. And all my tools, we've been gathering them up and putting them in totes, but I know once they've been burnt, they're pretty well garbage. But who knows, they might make some fine metal art. Some things hurt more than others, you know. This steering wheel I've had since I was about 12 years old. That was my red metal flex wheel.
These are brand new chop saw.
My brand new chop saw. You guys have ever had a fire like this? And another thing that hurt is the wheels off my police car on the front of that truck, and I'm sure they're ruined off the Deputy Diplomat. So we're just gonna move on. Try to build a real shop, a good shop. Try to replace our tools as I can. My impact gun, that was an Ingersoll Rand. I love that thing. And, you know, piling up some junk on the trailer.
Aluminum wheel.
It's just a day or two after Christmas, and right here's the aluminum wheel puddle. One of them she's talking about.
The other one's worse than this one.
Yeah, that's a Ranger wheel. That's amazing. Excuse me.
Here's your torches.
Hey, my torch is awesome. Yeah. We're trying to get a sense of humor about it now because I was devastated. I mean, but it's just stuff. You know, the truck was like a member of the family, but
And all our animals are safe.
all our animals are safe, and you know, we had a bunch of animals. And Ranger, no big loss.
Aluminum wheel pedal.
Yeah, that's an aluminum wheel. Crazy.
Oh, there's a drill bit melted into it. Look at it.
But that's about all, guys. You want to see more videos on this progress or anything, you got any questions you want to talk to me, just let me know.
We're in
Junkyard Thunder
cleanup.
Hot Rods at yahoo.com. No, Junkyard Thunder at Yahoo, not Hot Rods, just Junkyard Thunder. And, you know, God blessings and thanks for all the kind things. And, you know, me and her, we built it and we'll rebuild it.
Build it again.
That's it. So, later, guys. I don't know how to turn this one off, so I have to let the wife do it.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.